Welcome to this app preview. We will demonstrate how to configure and rebalance the simple portfolio shown here using Balancing Act. The starting point is an empty portfolio. The first step is to configure a new portfolio. Enter the owner name and optionally a second owner. Override the default income and capital gains tax rates if necessary. This information can be modified at any time. Each account is assigned a short name or number, such as the last few digits of the account number. The type may be taxable or one of several tax-advantaged accounts. Specify the individual or joint owner. Choose from among popular account custodians. Trade policy is usually optimum. Other options are used for special situations. You can also inhibit trading on an account-by-account basis. Rebalancing can be accompanied with deposit or withdrawal. You can also indicate that a cash reserve should be retained during rebalancing. The next step is to specify the holdings in the account. Add a holding and specify its ticker symbol. Assign an asset class for each ticker. Likewise, assign an asset type. Additional details such as date bought, the number of shares, and basis is entered next. Price is automatically imported whenever the ticker is for a listed security. Unlisted securities require manual entry. Proceed to add the next ticker and its related information. Individual tax lots are supported. As an example, for IVV, we add lot to specify another lot, which will have its own date, number of shares, and basis. Finally, we add one more ticker with the asset class foreign. All asset types are exchange-traded funds in this example, but any mixture of types is allowed. The small window used to assign the asset classes and types to a ticker is called the Quick Pick. We can dismiss it now since all tickers have been entered. We next turn our attention to the target table. Enter percentages for each asset class. The total must equal 100. The column labeled Actual is a percentage based on current holdings and prices. The overall actual imbalance is about 30%. The column labeled Plan is an estimate if the rebalancing trades are executed. We will see that shortly. The seesaw diagram is a graphical representation of the information in the target table. The tilt of the balance beam corresponds to the overall imbalance. The colored discs represent the three asset classes, with the size proportional to the percentages. The location is meaningful also. For example, there is more large cap, green, than its asset class target. The other asset classes are below their targets. The setup is now complete. Click on Rebalance to initiate the calculation. The seesaw display switches to show the plan based on the recommended trades. The discs move closer to the center point and the overall imbalance is reduced from nearly 30 to about 8%. Rebalancing costs appear in the small table. The main calculation result appears below the trade column. This is the answer. Positive values mean buy, negative means sell. Values are shown in dollars. Click on the header above trade to show the corresponding share amounts. Observe that there is no trade for the ticker VEA. This is because the asset class foreign is deemed to be close enough to target. The plan imbalance is about 8%. There is almost always a trade-off between perfect balance and the cost to get there. The slider provides a way to adjust this trade-off. Move it to the right to get closer to perfect balance. Click on Rebalance to see the results with this trade-off setting. Imbalance is reduced to almost zero, with the rebalancing cost increased by $20 to $142. The cost increase is due to one more trade, that is by the EA, and additional capital gains tax. Although not shown, you can achieve perfect balance by moving the slider to the far right. Prices are automatically imported each time a new ticker is defined. Click on the bar above the price column to refresh prices. The date and time of the most recent refresh appears. Thank you for watching this app preview. Please visit statespacetech.com for more information.